everyone, I wanted to jump on here and show you guys something that I have been asked about that is very simple, so I just wanted to show you how to do it. What I wanted to show you today is how to use a template within CapCut, and when you export the template, to be able to remove the CapCut watermark that's in the top right hand corner of the video. So let me show you what I'm talking about. I'm going to choose this Christmas loading template here.
It's beginning to look a lot.
I clicked use template and I'm just going to select a few videos just to show you.
It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas.
Okay, now you can see on the top right hand corner there's a little CapCut logo. When I want to export my video, I want to remove that. So I can do that by clicking export at the top right hand corner. And now you have two options. You can save to the device, which is your phone, with the CapCut watermark. So that would be as is you see here. Or you can save and share to TikTok. And I would suggest doing this second option if you want to save it to your device without the watermark. So once you do click it, it's going to save it and start to post it on TikTok. But in the end, you don't actually have to post it to TikTok. You can just save it to your device by using the second option here. So I'm going to click save and share to TikTok. It will export the video without the watermark. And then it's going to open up TikTok, but I am just going to close it.
It's beginning to look.
Now when I go to my photos on my phone, I will see my video without the watermark. And here it is.
Like Christmas. Everywhere you.
So easy, right?